Hello Bio 1050 students, Dr. Crozier here with a quick tutorial on how to use active reading guides, or also known as guided reading activities. Now, what are active reading guides? If you go to the home page on our course Canvas site, you will see a link to Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3 materials, active reading guides. These links take you to the module section of our Canvas site. There you will see that I've posted several PDF files under each unit. These PDF files are active reading guides or guided reading activities from the textbook publisher. You can also find these by selecting MyLab and Mastering, opening MyLab and Mastering, and going to the study area. Of the many tools that are available there in the study area, you see the third row is guided reading activities. There, they are available for each chapter of the textbook. These are, as their name suggests, guides to be used by students as they read their textbook. These are not assignments or quizzes for grades in the course. They are simply study tools that encourage interaction with the course material. If you find these helpful, please feel free to avail yourself of them. I recommend opening the e-textbook and filling out the guided reading activity as you read. Here I downloaded the guided reading activity from Canvas. Perhaps you wish to print out the guided reading activity or opening them side by side on your desktop computer. Simply go to the section of the textbook that you wish to read and answer the questions as you read along. There are questions of all sorts: fill in the blank, short answer, multiple choice, fill in the graph, and so on. During the week, I will add another copy of each reading guide to the modules link in Canvas. So those activity reading guides that are titled as blanks leave space for you to add your notes. I will post copies with the title Active Reading Guide Completed. You can then compare and contrast your reading guide with the answer key to make sure you're correctly understanding the material. Again, using these is completely optional, but if you find it helps you engage with the material and to be more focused in your reading, please feel free to use them at your own convenience. I will not be asking you to submit them for credit. They are simply a useful study tool. There are many such useful study tools in the MyLab and Mastering website, and I'll post more tutorial videos to introduce them to you as the semester proceeds. I hope you find this helpful, and be sure to explore the MyLab and Mastering study area for these and more useful study tools.